Hi, I'm Julie Bender, and I'm here at Joy Wellness. So happy to be here because she's making me all better. I tried to swim pier-to-pier from Hermosa to Manhattan and didn't even get off the starting. Ran into the sand, pushed off into the first wave, and felt a little pinch in my calf. Second push into the next wave, I decided it wasn't a cramp, it was something a little bit more substantial. Then I took my first kick and decided I was not going to deal with that pain for the 2 miles. And so turned around, got back in onto the sand and hobbled up. I couldn't put any weight on it. Got helped by the lifeguards, and now I'm at Joy Wellness just the next day. And they've spun my own blood into stem cell and PRP, and they've injected it into my calf. So I'm hoping that in the next 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, I'll be back swimming and jumping in waves.
That's what we hope as well. We're just finishing up her taping process on her calf to provide some stabilizing support after the PRP is already into that area there, the really bright area underneath the tape. And we're providing the tape as support, which gives pressure off of the calf muscle so it can gently heal with all of the stimulus and growth factors that we placed inside of it. This first white tape is protecting the skin, and then we use this brown elastic tape to provide the structural support, holding the muscle and the tendon together, allowing it to heal. So here we have the tear in the calf muscle.
I have told the story a bunch of times in hand practice.
And we're going to use PRP. And we're going to finish the injection of the PRP in the muscle tear here.